Hello, thank you for joining today. My name is Olamide. This is Olamide Forex Trading Analysis. All right, today is this Tuesday night, although a new day has started. So I want to say thank you for joining. All right, so for tonight, we will only be looking at one currency pair that looks interesting. We had 2 yesterday, and then to those that took the trade, you should be in profit today. All right, so we took 2 trades yesterday, and then they both went as predicted, but the other one later on came back. So, but all the same, we had already taken our profit and then used our trailing stop to get out of the market. So we weren't in a loss for yesterday. All right, today we'll be looking at the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. So on a daily time frame, so I'm making use of MT4, and then if you look at my chart, you're going to see the rate at which the market has been going. If we reduce it for a longer period, you will notice that it's in an upward trend for a long time, that since last year. So despite the fact that it came down, and then there's a trend line that it has been following here. So it came below that trend line as of last week Thursday, and it dropped to another support level that we have for this week. All right, so I'm going to increase so that you can see the trade very well. I only wanted to show you that it's in an upward trend despite the fact that it's still coming down. So right now it has gotten to the minimum it should, and then today there was an uptick. So the bullish were in charge of the bull were in charge of the market today. I mean yesterday. Sorry, today is another new day. So we expect the bulls to still be in charge in the new day that we have just entered. So, and then you can see that it's a strong bullish candlestick. So with the hope that it's going to continue. Our MFI also is showing that it has really dropped, and then it has dropped below the 20 point when it comes to the MFI. So MFI is money flow index, so the rate at which there is push of money in the system. So that's what we mean by MFI. All right, so if you look at it, so it's around 14. So we expect it to go back up. We also have a pattern here. The pattern here is what we call the morning star, which is a combination of 3 candlesticks, a long bearish candlestick, a small either bullish or bearish candlestick, and then another strong or long bullish candlestick. So the combination of the 3 of them is what we are taking as a morning star, with the hope that it goes up. All right, our spread as of now is still high, which is 221 against 29. So it is still about 80 something it's something pips, or I mean it's still about 8 pips, or you can call it 85 points. So either of it, so it's correct. All right, so that's what we'll be looking at for tonight. So it's a buy trade, so we expect it to go below. So what you should try to do is you can enter the buy trade when the spread is less than 70. If it's 50, it's much more better. So as long as it's less, so you can be able to start the trend, the new day, and then we hope that it goes up. So all right, so for those that might be asking how do I get the take profit and then the stop loss, you need to be in my group, in my mentorship group, before I can give you that. So if you are there, because it's posted there immediately after this session, so if you're in the group, then you are going to have the opportunity to know the take profit to set, and then the stop loss to also use, and likewise the point value for the trading stop to be used for it. So if you want to join, you can just buzz me, send me a message on that phone number that I've just posted in the chat. There's a number that I posted in the chat. So just send me a message there, and then I will be willing to respond back to you. So on how you can join my mentorship, and then you can have more value and then more information that will help you. And also, I ensure that you go through a 7 days training for you to enter my membership class, which is free. The mentorship is free, so body, and then the 7 days training is also free, so that you can understand and then know what we are saying. All right, so don't forget that this is Forex trading. We only predict and then forecast. What I've just said cannot be held, I can't be held responsible, but because nobody knows 100% about what will happen tomorrow. So we have just forecasted, and then we hope that our forecast and our prediction come to pass as we have said it. All right, so that will be all. I do not like to spend up to more than 7 minutes every night, so which is what I've just done. All right, so it's a buy, wait for the spread to reduce, and then also it's a morning start that we're looking at in an upward trend, precise upward trend uh, in a daily time frame. All right, so that will be all for tonight, and then I hope you have a lovely trading session, a successful one. That's all what we all wish. And then have a good night rest. Good night.